Hey guys, it's Ashley with Draped Premium Hair, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to bleach our knots and tint our lace for a natural looking wig installation. So of course we're using hair from Draped Premium Hair Company, but I wanted to make sure you guys knew where to find it. First, you'll want to go to drapedpremiumhair.com, and if you're on your mobile device, you'll see a drop-down selection menu. You'll go to shop, and under it, select lace wigs. For this video, we are using the lace front bob wig in the water wave texture, and it is 12 inches. So that's just how to get there. Let's get started. When you receive your order from Draped Premium Hair, we'll ensure to send it in the most luxurious packaging possible. Inside, you'll find your order in a satin bag so that it's carefully protected from the elements. And you'll also see a thank you note with 10% off your next order. On the back side are hair care maintenance tips, because we believe that happy hair is healthy hair. Find more detailed hair care tips on our website. So here's a close-up of what the wig will look like when you receive it at home. Notice how the frontal has those dark knots at the roots of the hair. This is how your wig will come when it's ordered through Draped Premium Hair. But you do have the option to book online and use our services so that we can customize this for you. Inside the wig, you'll find 4 wig combs so that you can secure it in place. You'll see how the stitching is nice and neat. And then there are 2 elastic straps on either side of it to keep it nice and secure. Installed properly, this wig isn't going anywhere. I think we're ready to get started. So let's get into the tools we'll need. I chose a Wella lightening powder with a 30 volume developer. We'll also need gloves to protect our hands and anything else that we touch, foil, a mixing bowl, a hair color application brush, and a mixing whisk. Now what's not pictured here are our tinting materials for the lace, but you will see that later. So in this first step, I leveled off a single scoop of the lightening powder. Now before you say anything, I know that I'm not measuring, but I'm also not trying to do a 1:2 ratio powder to developer. For this process, we want a thicker consistency. We want our bleach to be more like a toothpaste consistency so that when we go to spread it on the lace, it doesn't actually bleed through and bleed onto the hair. Remember that this process is only to bleach the knots and not the hair. So we go back to our wig and securely rubber band the excess hair out of the way. We are now ready to apply our bleach onto the lace. Now remember, you want to pat this, and that's why it's so important to have a thicker consistency or thicker mixture, because what you don't want to have happen is it bleed through. I can't stress that enough. You just want to pat very slowly and in the same direction across the entire frontal, laying it right on top of those knots rather than pressing it in and having it go onto the other side of the frontal. Now that that's done, we'll let it sit and process for 30 minutes and we'll come back. Off camera, we rinsed the bleach and toned the brassiness down using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. A more detailed video on how to tone will be linked in the description box below. But don't be alarmed that your frontals are yellow. This is exactly what we were going for. We wanted to bleach the knots. So now, using our mixing bowl, boiling water, and a deep colored semi-permanent hair color, we want to completely submerge the frontal or lace wig in this case for 10 minutes until our lace is tinted. All right, and here is the finished product. Notice how the lace blends in perfectly with my skin tone. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure that you follow Draped Premium Hair on our Instagram at draped_hair_company. And be sure to subscribe to our website, drapedpremiumhair.com, for exclusive offers and promotions. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. Comment and let us know what you'd like to see next, and we'll try to have that for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video.